Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. There's nothing on my desk, and that's because I wanted to show you some of the beautiful gifts I was given at our team retreat that I hosted at the end of September. I have got swaps and I have got gifts as well, and I wanted to separate the two and show them to you because you know what, I was totally spoiled by my amazing team. They gave me the most enormous bunch of flowers and then some vouchers for a very special shop that I love to buy loungefly from, and I bought a beautiful new bag and it was lovely, just gorgeous. And I'll make sure there's photos to go with this blog post. But I was given some gifts by some of the girls as well, and so this one is from the lovely Kayla, who she popped in a little card, very sweet, and this beautiful handmade box that she made specifically to hold inside here a notebook, because she knows I love a notebook. And then she further had the artist who designed and decorated this, she had the artist sign it for me. How lovely is that? I don't want to use it now. I want to use it, but I don't want to use it. But that's gorgeous. I love notebooks. I have loads of them on the go for all sorts of different things. So I have them for things I want to do with the team, things I want to do for YouTube, things I want to do for projects, all sorts. And then I've got all of this beautiful collection from the lovely Halsey Lou on my team. So all of these, which are just stunning, and she made, I have seen her videos, so Slim and Stylish, and she's got videos for all of these. She made 5 of them in different colourways, and how lovely is that? This, if I can get this right, there we go, the card holds like that and it stands like that. How fabulous is that? Beautiful. I love the theming of all of it, just gorgeous. So there we go, that's got it stood up right. I knew I'd get there eventually. Just lovely. I love that. And then in here I undid it all, and then I did manage to get all of the ribbons tied back up again. Lovely envelope with a sheet mask inside. I should definitely be treating myself to that. That's just, they're gorgeous, aren't they? How fabulous is that? Then this one again with the matching ribbon and theming and patterns all the way across. This has got a set of 6 little tea lights inside. Love tea lights, and smelly ones too. Just gorgeous. She's so sweet, isn't she? Like I say, she's got videos for all of these. And then finally, this last one here houses a giant box of Smarties. I didn't even know Smarties came in these size boxes. I should be getting more of those. Love Smarties. They're possibly my favourite chocolate in the world. So yeah, those came from Halsey, which was so sweet. And then I've got a collection of little blue bits and pieces from Kay. And so I've got, so it's a blue bits and pieces. So some gin, some sea salt caramels, yummy. Some more caramels. Nice blue note, and this lovely gin glass, which I guess, yes, it's the twin to that. That was very sweet. And also, let me pop those back in so I don't damage them. A little card in here. I love this embossing. I don't know what that folder is. And a little note in there for me as well. Very nice. Yeah, I love that. And then in here, look at that, that's just lovely. In here, little Mickey Mouse notebook and pencil. She knows me well. Look at that. Mickey Mouse all over it. So that was very, very sweet. And let me peg that back on because I don't want to lose any of the bits. And then I had this one from Karen Tilley, and in here are all sorts of bits and pieces. Look at that, I love that. gorgeous, beautiful card. Love that. And how sweet. Little coaster and a little board so I can write. Oh, something smells nice. I've just got a waft of something. Little easel so I can write my own message on there. Put that down. And a rainbow pencil. And ooh, nice hand cream. Us video girls get through a lot of hand cream, trust me on that. A little bottle of gin, and then yummy chocolates. Oh, it's a chocolate snowman. Cadbury Dairy Milk in this lovely bag. How beautiful is that? All decorated. It's very nice, very sweet. Just pop those back in. I've got a few more to show you. And 3 of the girls, Halsey, Sally and Kay, got me a little gift. Now, I haven't seen any of the girls since I achieved my million, because I achieved my million right back and then went on my trip right before lockdown happened, and I haven't seen any of them since. So they gave me this that I believe they've been hanging on to for quite a while. And then in here, oh, hello, Fauna. No, you don't come play. And then in here, they've made this beautiful box, which I popped open, bringing it home. Look at that! Lady Million fragrance. I burst out laughing when I opened it. It was so funny. Aren't they sweet? Very, very sweet. And yeah, it's because it's been such a long time since I'd achieved a million that I kind of hadn't really thought about it at all. And then when they surprised me with those, and then when the whole team had surprised me with the flowers and vouchers as well. Yeah. And then I have 2 parcels here from the lovely Linda Worth. And look at this packaging. How fantastic is that? Just amazing bags. And in here, I've got all sorts of bits and bobs. So I love that bag. That bag is incredible. Ooh, I need to know how to make that. That's just absolutely brilliant. And then in here, gorgeous. Look at that stunning card. Absolutely amazing. And look what's inside. A rainbow. A rainbow and pop-up butterflies. Just amazing. And there's a little note for me on the back. And then inside here, when I give the team vouchers, I send them a postcard that they can hang on to as well. And she sent them all back because we recycle the vouchers, and sometimes the girls send me the postcards back, but they, you know, they can keep them. It's got our team logo on it. Let me grab one of them. Got our team logo on it as well, but she sent them back so I can recycle them. So I love that that matches. And then in here, look at this. It's a key ring, but it's actually similar to the South Hill designs that I used to do, but she's got me a rainbow, an S. Let me see if I can bring that up so you can see it. A rainbow, an S, a cat and a handbag. And then in the back it says Inspire, and it's a rainbow case. That's just gorgeous. I didn't know there was anywhere in the UK that did this kind of thing. But love that. Just fabulous. That's going on my bag. And then in here, oh, it's full of chocolates. Yummy. Totally spoiled. So in there, so those are for me. So that said Sam on the outside of it, and this one says family. This is also from Linda. This says family. And pop it open. And it says enjoy, love Linda. And then for each of the children and Chris as well, with everybody's initials on. How gorgeous. So Jack, Luke, Jacob, Oliver and Chris, and a cat who wants to get inside over there. And I'm guessing they're going to have the chocolates in too. Shall I peep one open? I'll have a little peep. Ooh, Maoam's in there. Lots of yummy sweeties. So Fauna wants, look, she's got her head in the bag. want to get in, don't you? So yeah, totally spoilt by all these fabulous, no really, don't put your head, she has got her head in it now, it's stuck. Fabulous, gorgeous, amazing gifts, totally spoilt. Just, yeah, the remarkable talent on our team, just incredible. So ladies, thank you very much for spoiling me, and I hope, yeah, I mean, do reach out and seek out these girls for their amazing projects and their talent, and see if you can find some tutorials from them. Just brilliant. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you soon. Bye.